Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I recreated the creepy makeup look seen in the music video When the Party's Over by Billie Eilish. This look was super fun to do and pretty easy to recreate. It's a simple option that could easily be worn for Halloween. I'm going to begin this look by priming my face, first taking my ColourPop All-Star Face Primer in the T-zone, then right over top I'm placing my No Filter foundation. And for all the exact product details and direct links to shop as well as discount codes, I'll post all of that information in the description box for you guys. So next I'm going to give a bit more coverage, also highlight using the No Filter Concealer, blending this out in the T-zone area and under eye. Then to set these cream products, I'm using the ColourPop No Filter Translucent Setting Powder. This is going to help set everything, give it smooth finish, and soak up any excess shine and oil. Now to really chisel out the cheekbones and contour, I'm going to use the Tarte Play Face Palette. And using the shade on the bottom left, I'm going to place this in the cheekbones, the side of the nose, jawline, and forehead. For my highlight areas, to add a little bit more brightening, I'm going to take the setting powder again, this time using a heavier hand, and place this on the under eye, the chin, slightly down the bridge of my nose, and in between the brows on my forehead. To fill my brows, I'm using the Benefit Gimme Brow. This is just a tinted brow gel. Make sure that you don't have a huge clump on the end before applying. And I'm just going to brush the hairs out. This is tinted, so it's going to help fill in the color, thickening the look of the brow, and help keep the brows in place. Alright, going back to that face palette, I'm going to use this matte medium brown here, and I'm placing this on the outer corner of the lid up into the crease and just softly blending this out. This is just going to push back the lid. Then I'm going to highlight using a mixture of these two lighter shades here, and I'm going to place this on the brow bone and directly in the center of the lid. That's just going to bring these two areas forward, giving a very soft definition. For the lip, I also kept that very simple, so I'm just using my LA Girl lip liner. This color is pretty close to my natural lip color, so just creating a very light flush pinky tone. Then to finish up the actual makeup part of this look, I'm going to use my ColourPop BFF Black Mascara and place this on top and bottom. Now to create the creepy part of this look, for the contact lenses, I'm going to have a direct link to that in the description box as well as a discount code for you guys. I'll also post it on the screen here for you, but take advantage of that before Halloween, whether it is gory or glamorous. It just really is the icing on the cake. I'm going to use this black eye blood, and this is specifically made for the eyes, so it is safe to put in the eye. I'm also going to use a water-activated black face paint. I love working with water-activated paints because they're super easy, not only to work with, but also to fix or change up if necessary. It's also very easy for cleanup. So all I'm going to do is use a heavy hand and place this in the tear duct area. I want this to look as organic and real as possible, so I'm going to try and mimic the actual pattern of real tears. Basically, I'm going to pull this in the tear duct area and then have a little dropper with water and let this fall. This is going to give the most natural and organic look. However, if you do want to be more precise with it and have a certain pattern, shape, or design in mind, then you could, of course, just use a paintbrush and apply this by hand. So you can add as much or as little of the tears as you would like, whether it's the black or the red. They also come in a few other different colors, again, to better match whatever character or look you're going for. It's up to you if you want to leave it just on the face, but in the music video it does come all the way down, so I'm letting that fall all the way down through my chin and neck down onto my shirt. This shirt is literally from the dollar store, so if you are looking for a shirt or a costume that is on the cheap, I highly recommend picking something up from the Dollar Tree. So this $1 shirt was perfect for this look. Again, I really just let this fall, and then I just added some smudges here and there and some splatters on the shoulder and arm area. If you've seen the music video, then you already know, but for those of you who have not, first of all, I highly recommend you check it out. It's pretty cool. Second of all, she drinks a large glass of some mysterious black liquid. So I easily made that just using water and black food coloring. It really just pulled the look together. So that is everything for this look. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up. I would love to know what costume or character you want me to do, so be sure to comment that down below. Again, check out the description box for a ton more information, discount codes, and direct links to shop. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you're still subscribed, and I will see you in the next video.